Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to add contact to Gmail account. So first of all, open your Chrome browser and look at the right corner, tap on here, go to the contact option. Now shown here my zero contact, so go to the Gmail, select. Now put your mouse from this icon and click on to add to contact, and now successfully add this contact. So go back, checking the contact. Okay, now showing here to this contact add now. So that's how we can easily add contact to Gmail account.